on, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome to another video. Welcome to another property tour. And today, guys, we're at Silverbrook Complex, and this is at 1 Queensbury Avenue, and we're here to show you this apartment. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. All right, it is fully furnished, so you guys just need to move in and to enjoy this cozy little space. But you know the drill already. Before I give you a tour of this unit, you can just go right ahead and to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you are new, remember to turn on your post notification bell, remember also to share the video, and don't be afraid to leave your comment down below. So this unit is being rented at the price point of $135,000 per month. Alright, so I'm going to leave the contact information for the realtor down below in the description, as well as the video go on, you'll see it running across the screen or somewhere on the screen, so you know that on the other side of this video you can go right ahead and make your contact if you're interested in the property, and then this unit could be yours to rent, not to own, yours to rent, $135,000 a month. The room is very cozy and nice, but I'll definitely give you guys a full tour of the unit, and so stay tuned. But just before that, I'm sure you guys might be wondering, how did we get here? I'll give you a little drive-through tour to get to the location, as well as you know that I'll give you guys an aerial view of the surrounding community. So just stay tuned to this video, and yes, this one will be a very nice one. So here we go into the tour, guys. Alright, so this is the entryway to the unit. As you can see, you have a nice little area right here. You come in and you take off your shoes and you tuck them away, and we'll just walk right into your living space. By the way, guys, we are currently on the 2nd floor of the complex, so I'm just going to give you guys a walkthrough of the unit right now. Alright, so as you can see, we are standing in the living room space, and it's open concept. Alright, and remember, guys, that this unit is fully furnished, so you have your nice little shelf here where you can put your decorative plants or your keys, whatever it is that you want to stack there. Then we just go right into the living room space where you have this nice little sectional. Alright, as you can see, the space is very cozy. You have your television right there. You come in and you sit and you enjoy your afternoon with the light coming in from this patio area right here that you guys can just go out. I wish you could feel the breeze from the video, but unfortunately I'm the only one enjoying it right now. So you can always get your little chair to put on this balcony area right here, and you can look out and enjoy the view of the mountains, as well as to enjoy the cool breeze that's coming on the inside of this unit. Alright, guys, so from this angle you will see you have your dining room table right here. It's a nice little set. It's comfortable in the corner. In the event you need to use the other 2 chairs, you can just pull it out into the space a bit, and it will be able to comfortably fit 4 persons at this table. Alright, and you can see the nice little design at the side here with the shelving. You can decide what it is that you want to put into that space, but it's a very nice design. And we'll just turn right into the kitchenette area where you have your deep sink right there. You have adequate amount of counter space to do your prepping and to enjoy cooking your meals. Comes with your stove, your microwave. You have plenty of cupboard space at top and at the bottom. As you guys can see, there is plenty of space inside your cabinets. Alright, microwave is fully functional and ready to use, as well as your stove. Pull out your drawers. As you can see, they don't slam, they don't make a lot of noise, so you don't have to worry about that. You have your filter under your counter right there. And guys, it also has a 2-door fridge. So let me just open that a bit, and you guys can see that it is clean, ready to be used. So you can always stack stuff for cooling on this side, and you have your freezer on the other side. Alright, so we'll just take a tour along the side of the house. Right beside the kitchenette, you have your stackable area for your washer and your dryer, as you can see, already installed in the unit and ready for you to use to do your laundry. Alright, when you're finished, you just close your doors and you move right along, and this brings you right into your bathroom area. So as you can see, the finishing is very nice, guys. Nice countertop, large mirror. As you can see, the finishing is looking very lovely. And also in the bathroom, right above your toilet, you can see that you have a lot of storage space. Alright, you store your toiletries, you can store your towels. You might need to get a step ladder to help you with that top section right there, but that should be fine. And as you can see, the toilet is sitting in a very comfortable space. You won't be squeezing between the vanity and the shower. So this glass enclosure is not fully closed. However, it is at the right place so that you don't wet up the bathroom. And as you can see, you also have a window here. If you want to let in some, wow, that breeze is so nice. If you want to let in some more light, or if you want to cool down this place, alright? And you have your nice standing shower right here, guys, ready for you to just come in, relax, cool off, and take a nice bath. So at this time, I'm about to show you guys the bedroom area. And as you can see, it's just right here off the bathroom. Very comfortable space inside this unit. Windows bringing in a lot of natural light. Comes with your AC installed. You have your ceiling fan installed. And remember, I said, guys, you're on the second floor, so there's a lot of breeze coming in to this unit. All right. So as you can see, you have a nice size bed, a nice size room. You have space if you wish to bring in your chest of drawer. As you can see that there are 2 stands installed on the wall, so you don't necessarily need a night table stand. And you have your closet area over this side. Alright, so that's a nice size closet. So all in all, guys, this is a very nice unit, and I'm sure that anybody who rents this unit will be very comfortable in this cozy little space. You can have your friends over, you can have your family over, and you can enjoy watching your television, you can enjoy your discussions. If you're cooking on this side, you have your guests just right there. Just look at that space. It's open, everybody can interact, and then you guys can enjoy this space. All right, so remember to contact your realtor. Information is on screen as well as is in the description, so go right ahead and reach out because this won't be staying for very long. All right guys, so thank you for taking the time out one more time to watch our video. Remember, if you're interested in this unit, reach out to Noella Brown. Her contact information is down below. You can check the description, and remember that once this unit is rented, you can check to see in the description, in the title, or also in the comment section to know when this unit is no longer available. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to tell a friend, to tell another friend, to tell another friend, to subscribe to the channel and to stay tuned for this and more property updates, and we'll definitely catch you guys in another video. So until next time guys, we'll see you in another one. It's peace out from ChriSamz. All right, thank you.